This is one of the few berry bushes which I have grown from seeds. They are about 3.5 to 4 year old. While these plants were about 1.5 year old, I took a bit of cutting from its parent tree, and I grafted some of these bushes, and this one has been grafted. It has 2 branches. That is the grafting giant on this one, and that is the grafting giant on the second branch. Both branches, they are full of berries, which will be a very good source of food for all the birds in the winter. Both branches, they are full of berries. That's one branch, and that is the other branch. Now I am taking you to the other berry bush, grown at the same time from the same seeds, same parents. The only difference is it has not been grafted and there is not a single berry on it. Although where it has been planted, that is a better place in my garden. It gets more sun comparing with the other one. So although it is in a better and more sunny place, not a single berry on it. If you like my work, please subscribe to my channel and let others know. If you don't like it, please let me know. Thank you.